click on add a project. Let's keep the cat as it is and add 2 more sprites. Okay. And let's add some smaller sprites so that we get some place on the canvas.
I get.
You have to bring all of them to your left. That's right. Good. Now go select a background. So now we have to decide which one of these sprites we want which one of these sprites to win the game. Okay.
Okay.
So maybe we want the butterfly to win the game. Okay. So
Okay.
butterfly will come first, cat will come second, and the cat will come third. Okay.
Okay.
So how should we do that? So first let's go to the butterfly. Go to the triggering block.
Triggering block.
Green flag.
Green flag.
Go to the motion block.
Motion block.
Yeah, click on that. Click on the move right. Yeah, bring that. And we will give all the 3 sprites the same number of steps. So let's give 12 to all of them. So yeah, change it to 12.
One, two.
Great. Now we need to give it a speed, right? So go to the speed blocks. Yeah. Now, yeah, that's right. Drag and put that there, and yeah, click. This is already give it the fastest because we want it to go the fastest. Wonderful. Great. Now go to the stop block. Yeah, go there. Yeah. Drag and drop it. Then our butterfly will stop after going 12 steps the fastest. Now let's go to tack. Okay. Green flag. Okay. 12 steps. Okay. So this should be medium. Just check once again. Go down. See if the speed is set to medium.
Yes.
Is it? Okay. It's good to check again. Okay.
Yes.
Now,
this is speed.
Okay. Now add the stop. Okay. Go to cat.
Give us steps.
Okay. Good, Sherry, you're doing very well.
I love ScratchJr. That's why.
Wonderful. And you're creating this game all by yourself.
Yeah, I'm doing my own.
Okay, now put a stop. Okay, now Sherry, we also want them to show their emotions, right? We want them to maybe, butterfly should be very happy if it wins. So let's add some sounds to them. Now go to the butterfly sprite.
Yeah, butterfly sprite.
Wonderful. Yeah, go to sound. Go to the sound block. Yeah. Now, why don't you record something? Maybe the butterfly will say, yay, I won this race. Or something like, hey, I won.
I'm doing.
Okay.
Hey, I won the race. Hey. No.
Now you, yeah, take the red one, only the red one off.
Yeah.
No, that is not where you should put it. You should put it after the speed and before the stop block.
Okay.
So it should win the race and then it should say that I won the race, right?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Mm.
Okay. Now, yeah, let's go to tack. Tack and, let's say that, so is tack coming second? Yeah, so maybe tack will say, I just missed it.
Okay, I will just,
Yeah, record.
I will tell I am the second winner.
That's right. I will do better. Okay, this is enough. Okay. Now let's see how this works. Okay. Now, yeah, click on the full screen. Good. That's good. Yeah. Go there.
How
Click
to
on the
take
green.
this?
Click on the green flag.
I'm the second winner. Hey, I won the race. Hey.
Okay, they are all doing the same thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back. You did not have a stop to the cat. Put the stop. Okay. There, you fixed it.
Hey, I won the race. Hey.
Okay.
Second winner. I will do
Good
that.
job. Good job. So did you see that the butterfly came first, stack came second, and cat came third. Now click on the green flag.
Yeah, the cat is going so slow. I won the race. I'm the second winner.
Great work, Sherry. Good job.